Hey Matt, so this is your website. Looks pretty nice. It looks like it's was made recently new. It's looks kind of updated, um, but it's only got a home page and a book now option, which the book now is nice. Um, you also only have 324 words of content. The more content you have, the better. Google loves content, so you'd want to add more content to that, at least 1,500 words. I would recommend. Depending on what your competition has, the more you have, the better. So, it never hurts to have more, and you can keep adding to it as well. And you also want to make sure it has keywords in it. You don't want to just have content that doesn't, that Google's not going to send you people there. You want to have keywords in that content. So when people search for those keywords, they will find you. Next thing is with these images, you want that to be saved as a keyword as well. So appliance repair, Richmond, VA, or uh, whichever keyword you want to rank for. With all your images, you want to do that. I'm going to go to Google, type in appliance repair Richmond, come down here. These are, Yelp, and then Sears. I'm going to grab this guy. This guy was ranking higher, but this guy's going to beat him pretty soon. He has a better website and he's doing better, so he's going to beat him pretty soon. Grabbing his website, you can see he's got a lot more content on his page. He's got 1,223 words, so 1,500, or you could go even more, 1,750, or uh, whatever you think is best. But you would definitely want to beat him there. We can see what his images are saved as. See, he's got it saved right. So this guy knows what he's doing. He's actually doing really well. I can come down here and check out all these. I guess he wants to rank for that for some reason, but I wouldn't have chose that keyword for that. But yeah, okay, he kind of knows what he's doing. At least the first one. Um, but I mean, I like a lot of the stuff this guy's doing. Tool I like to use is Ahrefs. Plugging in, you only have one backlink and one keyword you're ranking for. You don't have a UR or DR score. You can see your ranking for Maytag Repair, Richmond, VA. 10 people search that a month. It's got a KD of 8. And you're on the 6th page. Plugging this guy in. He's got 353 backlinks, 44 referring domains. He's got a 24 UR, 20 DR. So this guy's got really nice values. He's just started. He's probably gonna get that number one spot before too long. So this guy's gonna be a biggest competition. And you can see what his keywords are. He's already the second spot for Richmond appliance repair. 80 volume, 10 KD. Appliance repair Richmond VA is 217. The higher the KD, the harder it's ranked for. The lower, the easier it is. And then this is how many people search it a month. And this is all just estimates, but it's pretty accurate. But yeah, you can see all these other ones. And you can come down here and grab the ones you like. This guy's done a lot of research. I can tell he's probably got all the keywords that you need or that are out there, but there might be some more, so you can go out there and check for more as well and get those for you. And yeah, so with design wise, we can come in, we can do whatever website you want. You can give us some ideas. And then when we want to go to rank it, we're going to make the website with keywords in it. We're going to basically make it optimized for SEO. And then when you want to do SEO, we'll come and go after backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal. It's backlinks are someone linking back to your website, someone else's website. And it's one of the biggest ranking factors. But you can come in here and see what this guy's got and go after the ones he has. You can go after the higher DR, higher UR scores. So he just made a Google business page. The values are not right with Google business pages because it takes power from Google, and Google has really good power, so this thing doesn't do well with those. So that's just something to know. But let's come check out this one. See what this is. So he's got a backlink on here. This looks to be I want to say this is like a rental. He's renting this link. That'd be my guess. It looks like a, what, link juice. Let's check out this one. This is just a directory. There's a whole bunch of different ones out there. There's guest posts, blogs, blog commenting, sponsors, directories, news articles. You can rent stuff, so link juice. There's a whole bunch of them out there. You also want to make sure that they're relevant to Planet Repair. You don't want to get fast food or deep sea diving or something linking back to you. But then you can start ranking, getting to the top spot on Google, and people actually seeing your website. Hopefully that all helps. Yeah, we look forward to talking to you more. If you want to talk more, give us a shout. Hope you have a good rest of your day. Thanks for watching.